Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dr. Trust Pulse 201 Oximeter. This is part of the Dr. Trust Signature Series oximeters, one of the most trusted brands for medical devices across the globe, to be very fair. And a lot of information on the box like perfusion index, SpO2 OLED display, the standard. It's a pretty standard fingertip oximeter or blood oxygen level reading monitor. It has high reading accuracy, stability against motion during measurement, which is important, reading in extremely low signal situations and reading at no pulse situations, which is also pretty good. Any other information on the box? It seems to be FDA approved, which means it's globally approved basically by almost all medical institutions. Let's open the box and see what the oximeter actually looks like. There you are, Dr. Trust fingertip pulse oximeter operator's manual model 201. So this is model 201. As usual, read the user manual at least once. End of the day, this is a medical device and you should be reading it just to be on the safest side. Next, we have a warranty card. There is a QR code. Okay, I'm not going to read this because this is for. You can go to the Amazon app and you can scan this code to write a review, among other things, and also register to the website. So I'm going to keep these here. Next, we have the pulse oximeter itself. Let's take a quick look. Okay, it's a very sleek design, glossy and sleek design. Made of plastic but has a very nice finish and looks very good. I don't know if a pulse oximeter is supposed to look this good, but hey, who am I to complain? We also have Aaa batteries, which is excellent. 2 Aaa batteries, which will go in the flap over here. I will probably show this, I don't know. And we have a lanyard, which is also a great touch. So yeah. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Dr. Trust Pulse 201 Oximeter Signature Series. To operate this device, all you have to do is put these batteries over here and put your fingertip over here, and that's it, you're done. And that's all you'll find inside this box. Thank you for watching.